10 healthiest foods to eat in the morning. You know what they say? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. To start a healthy yet busy day, you have to get up early in the morning, exercise for a bit, take a bath, and have a good yet healthy breakfast. But what should you eat to start your day fresh and healthy? Hey everybody, welcome to Boost Healthy, the video channel to live healthier and better. What foods make up all the needs of your body to function correctly? That is what we are going to discuss in today's video. So, without further ado, here are 10 foods you should definitely eat in the morning. Number 10, green tea. Caffeine is present, which boosts alertness and mood. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, has 35 to 70 milligrams of caffeine, less than half the amount found in a cup of coffee. It's also high in L-theanine, a soothing chemical that may help minimize the jitters associated with caffeine consumption. It may also help with anxiety and mood. Finally, epigallocattation gallate, EGCG, is an antioxidant that protects against chronic illnesses such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and mental decline. It may potentially have a minor metabolic effect, but additional research is needed. Green tea cleanses the body and provides the necessary nutrients for the mind to function properly. Green tea has been demonstrated to help with blood flow and cholesterol reduction. Green tea was also proven to help prevent a variety of heart-related disorders, from high blood pressure to congestive heart failure, according to a 2013 assessment of numerous research. Number 9, nuts. Nuts are high in magnesium, potassium, and monosaturated fat, which is good for your heart. They're also loaded with antioxidants. One of the best sources of selenium is Brazil nuts. More than 100% of the daily value is provided by just 2 Brazil nuts, DV. Although nuts are heavy in calories, studies show that not all fat is absorbed. According to some research, a 1-ounce, 28-gram portion of whole almonds contains only approximately 129 calories, although processed varieties such as almond butter have more fat. According to another study, your body only absorbs 80% of the calories in almonds and walnuts. Nuts' rich protein, fat, and fiber levels also increase fullness, which may help with weight loss. Nut consumption has also been linked to improved heart and brain health. In fact, one study found that consuming peanuts and tree nuts 2 or more times per week, and walnuts 1 or more times per week, lowered the risk of heart disease by 13 to 19%. A teaspoon or 2 of chopped nuts on top of Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or oatmeal is a terrific way to boost the nutritious value of your breakfast. Number 8, whole wheat toast. There's no breakfast for me if it doesn't have a freshly baked whole wheat toast with a cup of coffee. Try whole wheat bread if you prefer a simple breakfast in the morning. Whole grain toast contains a lot of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which digest slowly and don't spike blood sugar levels quickly. On whole wheat bread, you can put a variety of healthy toppings such as tomatoes with fried eggs, chili flakes and avocado, banana with peanut butter, strawberry and cottage cheese, baked beans, egg salad, sliced turkey or chicken. Try sprouted grain bread for added fiber and protein, as 2 slices give roughly 8 grams of fiber and 10 grams of protein. Consider the grain type and quality while selecting toast for breakfast. Whole wheat toast produced with 100% whole grain flour can deliver fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that are lost in white bread flour. Number 7, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is an excellent high-protein breakfast food with 24 grams of protein per cup, 220 grams. A high-protein breakfast has been related to feeling more satisfied and reducing appetite. According to one research, cottage cheese is equally filling and gratifying as eggs. Cottage cheese has low calorie content with only 180 calories per cup, 220 grams. As a result, it may help you lose weight without making you hungry. Indeed, one study linked a diet rich in dairy products, particularly high-protein diets, to weight loss. To keep in mind with cottage cheese is the sodium content. This recipe has 30% of your recommended sodium. This shouldn't be an issue if you regularly prepare nutritious whole food meals, but keep it in mind if you eat mainly salty foods during the day. Number 6, berries. Berries are the most healthy and quick way to have a healthy breakfast. Most are high in fiber, which makes you feel full. In fact, each cup, 123 to 144 grams, of raspberries and blackberries has 8 grams of fiber. Plus, 1 cup, 144 grams, includes just 50 to 85 calories, depending on the type of berry. Berries also contain antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which give them their distinctive blue, purple, and red hues. Anthocyanin-rich foods have been linked to reduced inflammation and a lower risk of heart disease and cancer. Anthocyanins have also been linked to improved brain function and may protect against age-related mental decline. Berries are available year-round, either fresh or frozen. Combine them with Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, oats, or a fruit smoothie for a great breakfast. Number 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber and are incredibly healthy. Each serving of 1 ounce, 28 grams, has an astonishing 10 grams of fiber. Furthermore, some of the fiber is soluble, which means it absorbs water and increases the amount of food that passes through your digestive tract. As a result, you will feel more satisfied. Participants in one small trial were given plain yogurt or yogurt with 7 or 14 grams of chia seeds. Both chia seed groups reported feeling more satisfied, having less hunger, and eating less overall than the plain yogurt group. Another study indicated that ingesting chia seeds lowered appetite substantially more than flax seeds. Although both seeds are high in nutrients, chia seeds' gelling qualities may be to blame. The high soluble fiber content of these seeds may also assist in regulating blood sugar levels and improving heart health. Even though chia seeds are low in protein, they can be eaten with high-protein meals like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a protein shake. This chia seed pudding dish has a protein content of 25 grams. Number 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a popular breakfast option that's also healthy. It's produced with rolled or steel-cut oats containing beta-glucan, a unique fiber. This soluble fiber enhances sensations of fullness by delaying stomach emptying and activating the production of peptide YY, a fullness hormone that may help avoid overeating. Oats also include iron, B vitamins, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and selenium, among other nutrients. They also have roughly 10 grams of protein, 81 grams. Make oatmeal with milk instead of water. Add some protein powder or serve it with a side of eggs to increase the protein level. Remember that white oats do not contain gluten. They are frequently processed alongside gluten-containing grains, increasing the risk of cross-contamination. As a result, persons who suffer from gluten-related diseases should pick gluten-free oats. Number 3. Coffee. Coffee is the most popular beverage on the planet aside from water. Approximately 85% of Americans regularly consume coffee. It contains a lot of caffeine, which boosts alertness, enhances mood, and improves physical and mental performance. Many athletes, for example, use coffee as a natural pre-workout beverage to improve their athletic performance. Other beneficial components found in it include chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and diterpenes, all of which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities. Regular coffee consumption is linked to a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, liver disease, Parkinson's disease, some types of cancer, and even death from any cause. According to the most research, drinking 1 to 3 cups, 240 to 710 milliliters of coffee per day, which contains roughly 300 to 400 milligrams of caffeine, provides these benefits. Although this dosage is acceptable for adults, you should limit yourself to 300 milligrams or less each day if you're pregnant. Finally, coffee should be consumed black or with dairy or plant-based milk. Sugar should be used carefully or avoided entirely, as it has been related to health problems. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a terrific choice if you're searching for a quick breakfast. It's prepared by filtering whey and other liquid from milk curds, resulting in a creamy product with higher protein content than conventional yogurt. Furthermore, it contains fewer calories than other protein sources. A 1 cup, 245 grams serving has 25 grams of protein while only containing 149 calories. Greek yogurt is also high in calcium, vitamin B12, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus, among other nutrients. Certain varieties are high in probiotics, like bifidobacteria, which aid digestion. Look for the words "contains live and active cultures" on the label to ensure that your yogurt contains probiotics. Icelandic yogurt, also known as skyr, is a terrific choice if you want something creamier and higher in protein. Top Greek yogurt with berries or chopped fruit to get more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a quick and healthy breakfast option. They're a good source of protein, which aids muscle growth. Protein makes you feel full since it takes a long time to digest. In one study, those who ate eggs and toast for breakfast felt less hungry than those who ate bran cereal, implying that the egg group's higher protein consumption, 25 grams versus 11 grams, contributed to their feeling fuller. In addition, the egg group consumed fewer calories at lunch, implying that this dish may aid weight loss. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in egg yolks. These antioxidants aid in the prevention of eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. That's all for today. Leave a comment down below and share this video with your friends. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more interesting health videos and much more. Check out this playlist of latest uploads and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.